Welcome to my new video with you Larm from Larm Designer. So today, I'm going to show you how to make this logo animation using CapCut. But all that after this short break. So the first thing you need to do is to have the logo you want in PNG format. So without any background. For me, I'm using this logo of 2,024 euros, and I'm going to add a background to this. You can use any background you want. I'll try with this background here on CapCut. Change the ratio here to 9:16. Okay, let's change the video time to 7 seconds. Now let's use the logo here. Let's just drag the logo down, and after that let's duplicate the first, so we have the second is like an overlay. Let's just select the two and scale it to like this. And now go to the first one here, and let's go to Adjustment. You go here to change exposure. And then highlight. And last, the brilliance. So it depends of your logo. It's not the same for all of them. So let's just play with it until you see it's look like a shine. Okay, like this. Now what you do is go to Video and select Mask, then Mirror Mask. Now you choose Mirror like this, and let's adjust the position, rotation, size, and feather. Like this. I will make it from right to left like this. So we'll select the first position here. And after 3 seconds, add the position here. Okay, let's see it. Now the last step to do is to export the project here like this. Here the final result. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.